We lucked out for the first day of the holiday weekend as the storms steered clear of our area. And I do think it will be that way for the second day of the holiday weekend as well. Sunday, it gets a little warmer. The high goes up to 88, but we will see sunshine. It'll be breezy, but more importantly, it will be dry. On Monday, the 4th of July itself, we are still tracking that threat for storms during the morning, and then it will get much hotter. The data continues to suggest it's going to be hotter and hotter. The high temperature on Monday, 95. So Sunday, it's about perfect. We will see a lot of sunshine at noon, 82 degrees, and then we do climb to the mid and upper 80s as the day goes on. Highs are generally going to be between about 85 and 89 on Sunday afternoon, and you will probably notice a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere. But we are not expecting any storms on Sunday. That will change, though, early on Monday morning. So let's go through Futurecast. This is 5 p.m. on Sunday. Still no storms, not much in the way of cloud cover, just all that sunshine. Then there's going to be a complex of pretty strong storms that moves in early Monday. This is around 5 a.m. Monday morning when we will start to see storms in northwest Iowa. This will be pretty potent when it does arrive, and gradually as it moves east across our state, I do expect that it will start to lose some energy. By 7 or 8 a.m., it'll be moving through our north central and western areas, especially for areas north and west of Des Moines. We could see some locally heavy rainfall, some strong winds, and frequent thunder and lightning. This will favor the northern half of the state. It may clip parts of the metro, and then by 10 a.m., notice how it starts to weaken a little bit as it continues its journey to the east. By 12, 1 o'clock on Monday, I do think for the most part that complex of storms will have fallen apart. And notice southern Iowa may not receive much in the way of storms on Monday. Then we may see additional development later in the day, but I think that will favor northern Iowa. It's going to be dependent on where outflow boundaries are left from those morning storms, but Futurecast continues to paint the picture for northern and northeastern Iowa to see that redevelopment Monday evening by 7, 8 o'clock to the northeast, and it mainly favors eastern and northeastern Iowa through 10 and 11 o'clock Monday night. That's where Mother Nature could have her own fireworks. And then we may see a little bit of storm activity in central Iowa early on Tuesday, at least briefly, between about 6 and 10 a.m. And then it would start to move away. So we don't want to get caught up in specific rainfall totals because it really will be dependent on where those thunderstorms set up. But if you do get underneath a storm, you could wind up with about a half to an inch of rain. Areas of far northwestern Iowa could see a little bit more than that. And the same thing in northeastern Iowa. Again, those rain totals really contingent upon that extra redevelopment. Now, we are going to see things changing heading into next week. We're still in that unsettled pattern, but this heat dome is going to continue to build to the north, and it's going to get a lot hotter next week as well. Numbers continue to trend up. Monday's high 95, the heat index near 101. Tuesday, likely the hottest day, getting to 97, the high there 105 for the heat index, that is. And then on Wednesday, we climb to 93. The heat index peaking around 99. So a lot to keep track of in our Holt Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast. Very busy day for the 4th of July. Very hot. Tuesday, that isolated storm in the morning, 97. And then Wednesday into the end of the week, we keep those scattered to isolated storm chances in place, probably going up a little bit Thursday and Friday before it dries out some next weekend.